Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve a question of coordinate geometry, and in this question we will see whether the 3 points, that is R, D and S, are collinear or not. So we will start like this. Let R 0, 3 equals to x1 equals to 0, y1 equals to 3. Similarly, D 2, 1 equals to x2, 2 and y2, 1. S 3 minus 1, let us say x3 is 3 and y3 is minus 1. So we will use the distance formula to know whether these points are collinear or not. So using distance formula, points RD equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This equals to x2 is 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 1 minus 3 whole square equals to 2 square plus minus 2 square equals to 2 square means 4 plus 2 square means 4, that is 8. So root 8, and this equals to 2 root 2. So RD comes out to be 2 root 2. Now we'll go for DS. The distance between DS equals to x3 minus x2 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. So I will put the values. X3 is 3, x3 is 3, x2 is minus 2 whole square plus y3 is minus 1 and y2 is minus 1 whole square. So this comes out to be 1 square plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 square. Therefore this is 1 plus 4 equals to root 5. So RD is root 5. Now I will calculate RS, distance between the point. RS equals to root x3 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we will get x3 is 3. Respective value we will put x3 means 3 minus x1 is 0 square plus y3 minus y1. So y3 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 3 whole square. So we get 3 square plus minus 4 square equals to 9 plus 16 equals to root. This is root 25 r equals to 5. So the values, let us say this is our equation 1, this is equation 2nd, and this is 3rd. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1, 2 and equation 3, we get RD equals to 2 root 2, DS equals to root 5, and RS equals to 5. Now here the larger number is 5. Here the larger number equals to 5. So now to become this as a collinear point, the other two sides should be equals to this, means 5 should be equals to 2 root 2 plus root 5. So 5 is not equals to 2 root 2 plus 5. Therefore, since the larger number is not equal to the sum of the other pair, therefore points R, D and S are not collinear. Not collinear. So the points R, D and S are not collinear. So we can say similarly that is RS is not equals to RD plus DS. So in this way, this type of questions are solved. We have seen that these points are not collinear. Thank you. Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve question number 5 of coordinate geometry for class 10th, and the question is find the points on the x-axis which is equidistant from A minus 3 4 and B 1 minus 4. So we have to solve it. Now we know that the point on the x-axis, let us say solution. Let P be a P x and 0 be point on x-axis equidistant from A minus 3 4 and B 1 minus 4. So the P will be the point on x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. So we therefore, so now P x equals to 0, A minus 3 4, B 1 minus 4. So here we will write that is x1, this will become x1 will be x, y1 will become 0, x2 is minus 3 and y2 is 4, x3 is 1 and this is y3 is minus 4. We will use the distance formula since the P is equidistance, since P is at equidistant from A and B, hence P equals to PB, or we will take the square root. What is this? Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. Now we will use the distance formula. Using distance formula, that is PA means x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square equals to x minus 1 whole square plus zero minus 4 whole square. So this is x plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square equals to x minus 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. Now we will use the formula a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 3 to the 6x plus 3 square means 9 plus 16, 4 square is 16 equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 16. We have used the formula used is a square. Here the formula is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are two formula has been used. So this is x square plus 6x. सभी like terms को एक तरफ लिखेंगे और unlike terms we will write to the other side. So we will get x square minus x square plus 6x plus 2x equals to 19 plus 16 plus 9, 25. This is 17 minus 25. So x square cancels x square. We get here 8x equals to minus 8, or x equals to minus 8 upon 8 equals to minus 1. So point P is minus 1 and 0. So our answer will be minus 1 and 0. So answer is point P is minus 1 and 0, because we have got the value of minus 1 and 0. So in this way the question is solved. Now the next question we will see if the point is on y-axis. So I will solve the next question. Now the question is question number 6. Find the points on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A 1 minus 4 and B 2 5. So let P be the point on y-axis, that is, now P will become 0 and y, because point lies on P, so the value of x will become 0. let P be the point on y-axis, that is point P is 0, y, equidistant from the point A 1, -4 and B 2, 5. So PA will be equals to PB because P is at equidistant from the point A and B. Are squaring both the sides, we will be getting PB equal to, here we will write squaring both the sides, squaring both the sides. Now we will use the distance formula. Using distance formula, so we have got PA equals to PB. So once we use distance formula, we will get 0 x1 minus x2, that is 0 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means y minus 4 square equals to 0 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So here we will get 1 square plus y plus 4 whole square equals to 2 square plus y minus 5 whole square. So it will become 1 plus y plus 4 square means y square plus 4 to the 8y plus 16 equals to 2 to the 4 plus y square minus 5 to the 10 y plus 25. Now formula used is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here it is plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula that has been used. So now we will get y square plus 8y plus 17 equals to y square minus 10y plus 29. Now like terms will be toward the left side, and unlike term means constant will go to the right side. So y square minus y square plus 8y plus 10y will become minus 17 plus 29. So minus y square cancels. This is 18y equals to minus 17 plus 29, 12. Therefore y equals to 12 by 18 or 6 to the 12, 2 by 3. So the point P point is 0 into 2 by 3. So our answer is point P is 0, 2 by 3. So in this way, this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel and subscribe it and share it. Thank you.